Hello everybody and welcome back to Coding with Kenny G. Now we're at episode 14 and we have just created this fancy pants effect of move path particles. This episode I just deleted this move path particles out of the scene because we don't need them anymore. But this episode, let's check out our list. If we have an actor, or rather a tile, selected, and we select another tile, reset the old move path and display the new move path so that I can switch between actors that I want to interact with. Let's just do that first. So let's go into our script in the actor selector. And here we need to check before we assign the selected tile here, our private variable here, we need to check if first of all, if this guy is null, then this is the first time we are selecting a tile. And if the new tile that comes in is different to the selected tile, then we probably need to display to reset the old move path of the old selected tile and display the new. Okay. We need to save this move path as the one that is currently active. So up here in our private fields, we say private list of tile, and this is the current move path equals new list of tile and move path here. After we assign our move path, we say that current move path equals move path. Okay. Let me just think here for 2 seconds. If our current, or if our selected tile is different to the new tile coming in, reset old move path, reset, turn off old move path if it exists. So if selected tile is not equal to null and t is not equal to selected tile, we have a new tile coming in and there was a previous selected tile registered. Then check if we have an old move path. So if current move path dot count is greater than 0, then for each of those, for each var tile in current move path, we need to set each tile's particle system off. So tile dot play move path particles false, and that's it. So we are indeed turning off the old ones, then we are updating after that the new tile to T, and we are updating our move path. I wonder if that is enough. Let's just check. So go back into Unity, and press play. Select this guy, and then I'm gonna select this guy, and that did not work. So it did, but the thing is that this guy goes away a little bit slow. So when I press, or when I stop the particle system, it has a little bit of decay time. So you can see that it kind of fades out. And we want this to be instant. So I need to check, I don't exactly remember how to do this. So either it's a parameter here in stop. No. Is it a stop behavior? Let's just check. Yeah, it is. I think this works. So what we're doing here is that in the tile script at the play move path particles, when we stop, we want to stop emitting and clear all existing particles. This should result in an instant clear. And the first parameter here said something like should also the children stop. In this case we don't have any children, but I'll just write in true. Right, let's press play. See, I select this guy, and then I select the king afterwards, and this turned off instantly, and this one turned on instantly. This is the behavior that we want, so that's good. Cool. I think that we can slap in the formation that we actually want to use now, Copenhagen 11 by 11, into the board in formation to spawn. Save the scene, save project. Remember to do this generally, so that we don't lose work if something weird happens. Okay, and at this point I can select different actors, and it works. Awesome. So let's see what our next thing on the list is. When you have a tile selected, be able to move to a tile in the move path. So we want to move the actual actor now. Exciting. Finally some actual gameplay. Even though we haven't established like the turn-based game and which faction is in control. For example, right now, let's say it's the attacker's turn, and the attacker should not be able to click on the defenders, right? But we have to take one mechanic at a time. So let's do that. Okay. Oh yeah. Tile selected, be able to move to a tile. Okay. So in the actor selector, yeah. Before we do all of this, we have to kind of be in a mode, or rather we have a sort of a bool that defines what mode we're in. If this is the first time we're clicking an actor, we are now displaying a move path. So, and we are actually awaiting input from the player to select a tile in that move path to move to. And we can do that as a mode. So we can have a private bool is displaying move path equals false, and see here first. After we have started displaying a move path, we are going to say is displaying move path equal to true. And at the start of the function, before we do all of this, we're going to have another we're going to check if we are displaying the move path. If is displaying move path, if we are displaying a move path, we want the input, we want to let the player decide a tile to move the actor to in the move path. So if we are displaying a move path, we need to check if the tile that we now clicked is in that move path. So if we're just gonna have a little for each loop here, and then we have an outside variable called bool tile is, or rather is tile selected in move path equals false. Then we're gonna do a for each var tile in current move path. By the way, we should only do these things if current move path dot count is greater than 0. So slap these guys into that if statement, and then if tile dot get tile index equals t dot get tile index. If that is equal, then we have actually clicked inside that move path. So we are now, we should be able to move the actor to that tile. So we, for now, we can make, we're gonna clean this up a little bit, but we're gonna move this actor that is yeah, we need to also know which actor we have selected. Yeah, we do, because the selected tile should only be an occupied tile, right? Yeah, that's right. So we're gonna move the actor on the selected tile to the target tile. For now, we're just gonna teleport him. So first of all, we need to see, or rather say, is tile selected in move path equal true? Maybe we don't need that bool, because we can just do the code in here instead and break afterwards. So we delete those guys and we say current, what's it called? Selected tile, yeah. So we say var actor to move equals selected tile dot get occupying actor, So this is an actor, and we say actor dot, or actor to move dot transform dot position is equal to new vector 3, where the position is t, which is the tile that we actually clicked, t dot get tile index dot x. We have to move it to an offset position, so we should make this into probably a variable. I'm just going to write 0.1f for now, and then t dot get tile index at position y. There we go. Since we found the tile in the current move path, we can break out of this for each loop. Or, even better, return. Because we don't want to continue this stuff. What we also want to do is to stop displaying the move path for that entire move path. So inside of this loop, we're actually gonna iterate over this current move path again and turn off all move path particle effects. So for each var t in current move path, t dot tile 2 sorry, that is a little bit wonky, but okay, tile 2 dot play move path particles false. Then after this we need to just reset everything here. We want to reset all variables to its kind of null state. So we want to set is displaying move path to false. We want to set the current move path. Ooh, we can't do that there because we're inside a for loop, and I think it's gonna freak out. But I think it should also be fine. And selected tile should be null. Okay. And let's see if we can't get this guy moving, huh? So I'll save this script. And this should only work if we are actually clicking inside the move path. If I click outside, then nothing happens. But if I select this guy and I select a tile to move to, he moves to that position, and we stop displaying the move path. Let's oh, there was an issue there where I'm trying to select this guy again, and we're not displaying the move path, but it's fine to select another guy. So we need to figure out what that issue comes from. Let's just have a little look. Oh, we got a null ref. That's good. Actor to move. Yeah. We can probably try to figure that out. Maybe I shouldn't waste time with you, and I'll just fix it, and I'll tell you what I did to fix it. But we're almost there. We do get a guy moving, and this is the thing that is producing the errors, right? Yeah. And it seems like this guy, one thing that we need to do is to tell our board that this guy has moved from there to there. I think this is a good task for us to do in the next episode, because we at least got some stuff moving, and that's always fun. Yeah, we have some bugs, but that's to be expected. Cool. Okay, well, I'll see you in the next episode where we fix some of these smaller issues and go on further with this one. So I hope you like this content so far, and I'll see you in the next one.